Swarna Sunil Nagrale. I would like to tell you some useful sentences. The mirror was broken by me. माझ्या हाताने ग्लास फुटला. What bring you here? तुम्ही कशासाठी आलात? Have you any business with me? माझ्याशी काही काम आहे का? What the menu of dinner? जेवायला काय आहे? When you go to the sleep, तुम्ही केव्हा झोपता? Thank you for listening my useful sentence.
Good.
Hello friends, this is Ishwari. I would like to tell you some useful sentence. At first, he was accused of murder. त्याच्यावर खुनाचा आरोप होता. Truth is bitter. खरी गोष्ट सगळ्यांना खोटी वाटते. Stand upright. सरळ उभी राहा. Stand upright. सरळ उभी राहा. We shall go together. आपण बरोबर जाऊ. Thank you for listening my sentence.
Good.
Hello friends, this is Prapti Goyal. Today I would like to tell you some useful sentences. First, where shall we meet? आपण कुठे भेटायचे? What's your occupation? तू काय आहे? Where have you kept my clothes? तूने माझे कपडे कुठे ठेवले आहे? I didn't say anything. मी काही म्हणणार नाही. She doesn't have a son. तिला मुलगा नाही.
Good.
Hello friends, this is Shravani. I would like to tell you some useful sentences. He got death sentence. त्याला फाशीची शिक्षा देण्यात आली. Why do you come back soon? तू लवकर का परतलास? We go shall together. आपण सोबत जाऊ. We shall reach in time. आपण वेळेवर पोहोचू. It's no thoroughfare. आपण It's no thoroughfare. हा रहदारीचा रस्ता नाही. Thank you for listening my
Again. Okay.